Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Roblox avatar not loading problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. First we check if Roblox is up to date. If there is an update for Roblox, we are doing this update. Our first solution is to clone Roblox. To do this, we go to Settings. Then we click on Apps and then we enter Manage Apps. Then click on Dual Apps. We find Roblox among our applications and click it. After doing this, we click Turn On. We cloned Roblox. Now you can enter the Roblox that we cloned and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution may not actually be called a solution. This is more of a mistake we made when changing our avatar. The first thing we need to change when changing our avatar is our character. If you change your character's hair, skin color, etc. without changing your character first, these will be reset after changing your character. To prevent this from happening, we first need to choose our character. After choosing our character, you can adjust other things as you wish. After making our changes, we come to the main page and scroll up to refresh. As you can see, the avatar next to our name has changed, but the one below has not. We are refreshing it again to update it as well. As you can see, our avatar below has also been updated. This was our second solution. If you're still having problems, we'll move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to download the old version of Roblox. The reason we do this is that this problem we are experiencing may be caused by the new update. If this is the case, downloading an older version may help us solve the problem we are experiencing. We delete Roblox on our device before downloading the old version. I put the link of the old version of Roblox in the description section. You can go directly to the download page from there. If you have never downloaded APK before, you may have problems here. If you have a problem, I explained how you can solve it in the video I put in the card section. You can watch that video. Click on Download and start the download. Our file has been downloaded. Now we can start the installation of Roblox. We have completed the installation of Roblox. Now you can open Roblox and check if the problem is solved or not. Also, restarting your device can solve this problem you are experiencing. Maybe a service on your device that has stopped working in the background is causing you to experience this problem. Restarting your device also means restarting the services running in the background. The smooth running of your services can solve the problem you are experiencing. We have come to the end of the video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.